Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I'm really sorry about that. I have actually filmed a video and edited it and can't upload it for like silly reasons. I eventually will be. So I thought I'd just move on from that and start a new video. So this is like a try on haul. It's going to be a few different brands. I've got BOOHOO, FEMMELUXE, which was PR, PRIMARK and TOPSHOP. There's not a lot here, it's like a couple bits from each brand. I didn't have enough from one brand to do a dedicated brand haul, so I just thought I'd throw it all in the one and do this. And I also forgot to do an intro, so this is the intro while I'm in one of those outfits. So let's just get started. So this is the first dress from BOOHOO. It's like a light grey colour, and I actually don't know if you can see on camera because the viewfinder's too far away, if you can see my underwear through it. You definitely can in real life. You can see it around here. And right round here. Although I really like this, I like the shape of it, I like the style. It's definitely too see-through for me to wear. I love this section here, but I don't think it matters that you can see your bra through there too much, but I wouldn't go out without a bra with this because it is also see-through at the cups, so you need to wear a bra so that you don't see through it completely. And obviously if you wear the bra you can see through the little hole. It's definitely not for me, and I think it was like a really good price, but it's just definitely a pass from me. I'll pop the price of it on the screen and move on to the next dress. This one is actually so disappointing. Let me come close because the print is gorgeous. Can you see it? But can you see how big this is on me? Like, fits me in the boobs, far too big here, and fits me around the bum area. As you can see at the back, it's so baggy. This is a size 8, and I would definitely say that I am a size 8, so the fact that it doesn't fit is quite poor. I know I shouldn't complain about things being too big, but yeah, it's such a nice print. Like, look at it from far, it'd be such a cute holiday dress. And I'm actually just not going to spend much time talking about this one because, yeah, I'm definitely not keeping it. It's far too big. It looks a bit like a night dress on me because it's too big. Next, I want to start off this section by saying that this is a petite dress, a petite size 8. I'm holding the straps. Look at this. Like, I couldn't show you this without having my bra on, so it also looks a bit odd. Look at these straps. Like, that's how big they are, which is actually fine for me because my mum's very handy that way, and she can fix these straps and make them fit me. I think if the straps did fit, then this would be a really, really cute dress. It's just really difficult to tell. It is a midi dress, petite size 8, BOOHOO again. Don't know what's going on with the sizes. Like, I'm just going to get this one straight off because this just looks awkward as hell. That's the back. So that's another thumbs down. Okay, I'm popping back on very quickly to show you this without the bra. I'm feeling brave for 2 seconds. So I've got a bobble in these back straps to hold it up, and this is what the front would look like, which is pretty but definitely doesn't fit properly. I just wanted to show you it quickly because I think I wasn't giving you a fair view of it with having the bra on. So I think it would be nice if it fitted. I don't understand how they can call it a petite, like, I really don't get it. Oh my gosh, this one is adorable. Look at this cute little playsuit that I got from TOPSHOP. It has like these little frilly bits around the bottom, the little frills around the top. The only thing that I just realised is, like, I love the back. So I've tucked in my bra and this is what it would look like. It is so adorable. I'm literally in love with this playsuit. Like, it is cute as. It's slightly lemon, slightly cream, slightly beige. It's like that funny colour. I thought it was lemon in the picture, but it's more like cream. So, and this is TOPSHOP and the price is on the screen. I would just pair this up with like a little pair of sandals on holiday because it's very cute for being casual, but also just like a little wedge or something like that, a little heel. So in love with this cute little playsuit. Well done TOPSHOP for saving this video so far. This is a bikini from PRIMARK. I really went back and forward on whether to actually show a bikini on camera or not. Like, It's very, very intimidating to stand here half naked, like so intimidating. The top is a size 10, the bottoms are a size 10. As you can see, like I don't have the smallest of bums, so that's definitely why I needed the size 10. I could definitely do with tightening these straps. I didn't, I just put them on because the front is actually quite baggy. It's got the cutest little detailing on the top and the bottom. It totaled £7, which is obviously like such a good price, especially if anyone feels like me and white gets ruined so fast, so why pay a lot of money for a bikini? It probably is only going to last the summer. I'm going to keep that very short and very sweet. So £4 for the top, £3 for the bottoms, and that is Primark. I actually love Primark's bikinis, swimwear. I don't tend to buy swimming costumes, like full on swimsuits, because I really like to get fully tanned, so that's why I tend to like wear like the smallest pants that I can find. I don't mind on the beach, but I mind a little bit more on camera. Next from Topshop I got this little top and the white version of it. So it's like that little like cut out bit on the chest. These come in at £7 or 2 for 12, so I obviously got 2 for 12. This one's a size 6. Can you see the size of it? I think it's a rather big size 6, and it's not the petite one because I didn't have the petite one online. This is the petite version of it, and it is also a size 6. It's much smaller, even though this is still baggy here. I am undecided about this. What do you guys think? I like the colour. I actually do, like, I do like it. I feel like maybe it should be slightly tighter, like if that makes sense, like on the bottom. So I don't know if these are going to wash out. I just don't know if they're going to last, and I'll know that they're cheap, so how long you expect them to last. But then I still don't want to pay £12 for 2 tops that I'm maybe going to wear 2 or 3 times, and I'm like, well, they're going in the bin. I don't know, how do people feel about that? I just don't want to waste, like, why waste your money? Like, spend the extra and get something better that's going to last longer. I don't know, they just don't feel like the greatest of materials. But I love how this is cut here, and you've probably all seen it 100 times anyway, because I think these are very popular right now on Instagram. I love it with these high-waisted shorts. These high-waisted shorts are from Primark, but I think they're last year's. By the way, this is the back of the top, so it's just plain. This is getting me in such a mood for going on holiday. I'm literally so excited. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like this top or not? White dress I got here in PR from a brand called FEMMELUXE. I have them on Instagram. So this was sent over to me very kindly from them. It is like double layered, but it is still very see-through. I'm still like in between knowing whether I can take this on holiday or not. I think I'll get my mum's opinion. I got Ian's and he was like, yeah, it's fine, but I'm not sure if it's like far too see-through. So that's the back. If I was taking this on holiday, I'd pair it up with like a cute little pair of nude wedgies. I do like to be quite dressy on holiday, so I would definitely get away with this, but I know some people like to be a bit more casual. I don't think you could dress this down and wear it with sandals. I mean, you can if you want, but I personally wouldn't. I'll pop the price right here, and this is the last thing from Primark. I'll pop again the price below. It is a size 8, it's a cute little midi dress. I am 5'1", and it comes to just below the knee on me, if that helps anyone. Obviously they're not meant to come that low, I think probably just above the knee, but anyway, I can totally get away with this. It's absolutely fine for me. It's so comfortable. The size 8 is a little bit loose, probably could have got away with the 6. Primark sizes are a little bit funny just now. It's actually really nice quality. Let me show you it close up. So it's really nice quality that has like these thick straps. It's such cute colours. And I'm definitely keeping this. I'm going to either travel in it to go on holiday, or I'll be wearing it on holiday, but it's a definite thumbs up. So that finishes off this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I want to apologise for being so inconsistent on my YouTube channel. For whatever reason, I find it difficult to just like get the motivation to sit down and film, but that is all changing. I'm going through a rebranding at the moment, so you will see a name change here fairly soon. The banner and artwork's going to be changing. I'm also updating my editing software, and I really do hope to be back and better. So thank you so much for subscribing and watching all my videos up until now, and I really want to do better for you, and I shall see you all again in my next video. Mwah! Ciao, bye! So I've got a tiny little side note. I'm back in my studio filming today because my bedroom's a mess, and I just wanted to film my clothing haul, and like tidying that was not a good idea. As you can see, there's a mess behind me, mess beside me. My house is just full of stuff. I don't have room. This room, next time you see it, will be changing. I'm going to get rid of some of this table. I think I'm going to move out the drawers. I'm going to have more room to film in here, and I can split my time between my bedroom and my studio. So again, I'm so sorry about the mess, and the next time you see this room, it will also be different. Mwah!